Final Cut Pro review in 2025. Is it still worth it? I'm going to tell you if Final Cut Pro is still worth it in 2025. Final Cut Pro continues to be a powerful one-time purchase editing software for Mac users, making it a cost-effective alternative to subscription-based options like Adobe Premiere Pro. It features cinematic mode, magnetic timeline for seamless editing, and robust built-in tools for color grading and post-production. However, it does have drawbacks. It's Mac exclusive, has a steeper learning curve, and lacks strong collaborative features, making it less ideal for team projects. Additionally, while it's powerful, third-party plugins may be necessary for some advanced effects. If you're a Mac user looking for a fast, efficient editor, Final Cut Pro remains a great option. But if you need cross-platform support or advanced collaborations, alternatives like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve might be better.